Good afternoon. My name is Major Wes Whitaker, and today I'm going to talk about a website that's new to me called Mathisfun.com. If you look at my screen, you'll see several math vocabulary terms. And so for my students, as they're doing math problems, they have trouble trying to find out what the words mean. And so by helping them find out what the words mean, they're able to figure out how to solve the problem. So Mathisfun.com helps me because it has a dictionary. And the first term that we saw was even. So if I click the dictionary, hit the letter E, I would then scroll down to even numbers. I get a definition of what an even number is. I get a visual graph of what even numbers are. And then I click down and I can test myself for the even numbers. So I know I'm putting this on YouTube, so it'd be embarrassing to get this wrong. So far, so good. And so I'm just testing for proficiency. Okay. So the other term I saw that was up there was odd. So I want to know what an odd number is if I don't know what it means. So I click the letter O. Here's odd number. I once again get a definition. I get a graphic look of what it means, and then I have a chance to test my knowledge on the odd numbers. And so here I go getting the odd numbers. Again, so far, so good. Another great feature about this website, if I give one of my students a pre-assessment on a math problem and they assess at the grade level of sixth grade, for example, and they're a ninth grader, I can go to this index, and this index has grade worksheets, everything from pre-K up to 12th grade. And so I can assign them something where they are on their grade level and they can feel comfortable working themselves up from sixth grade, seventh grade on up to their proper grade level as far as math is concerned. I selected this course or this source to assist my students in understanding math terms, which will assist them in solving word problems. I've found many students have problems understanding what the math problem is asking them to solve. My goal and objective is for my students to understand what the terms are asking, what the math problem is asking, so they know which operation to use and in what sequence. I also plan to reach out to my ninth and 10th graders and prepare them for future SAT and ACT tests. My intended audience, of course, is my high school students. The ISTE standards for students that I covered was ISTE 1, the Empowered Learner, sections A, B, C, and D, and ISTE 5, the Computational Thinker, A, B, C, and D. The IST for educational leaders that I used was ISTE 1, Equity and Citizenship Advocates, sections A and B. In regards to the final product, I use a YouTube video, which I'm going to go back here and show you, and it's actually a YouTube video, and speaks about math terms, and they can use these terms in various math problems. I then referenced the website mathisfun.com as another source to make things simple and to reinforce the learning experience for my students. So with that, I hope you guys have fun experimenting with this site. Again, mathisfun.com. Enjoy. Thank you for your time. Take care.